the kids are nice and clean and fed this morning. Oh my goodness, look at Moose. Holy smokes. They've all had their baths. Thanks to the husband. Thank you, husband, for your help. The husband helped the wife this morning with all these little munchkins. And now it's time for bed. Nap time at the Thompsons. Oh, look. Rufus Jr. and the Wheaton one are spooning. They're spooning. There's one back there. Oh, Moose, really? You look like you're about 12 weeks old, Moose. Doesn't he, babe?
What?
Moose looks like he's about 12 weeks old. There's Tux. Oh, aren't they cute? Look how fluffy they are because they got baths today. Okay.